2022 cooking competition organized for girls of Adazi Nnukwu has ended with a call on girls to endeavor to cook good food for their husbands and families as a first step to keeping a healthy family. Ngozi Abilari of Insider News covered the finals of the competition and brings the details.
In the good olden days, wives' materials were selected based on their ability to do well in farm work and quality of food they make for their families. These attributes attract recommendations of suitors for girls who have come of age to marry. But as time goes on, marriage recommendations seem to have given way to ezunezi anwa, that is, that couples mostly meet themselves and decide to marry, even fix their marriage date before they inform their family members. Then after the marriage, issues will start springing up like, this my wife is very lazy, she does not know how to cook, and so on. The annoying part, according to Adazi Nnukwu, is the inability to cook well, and to put an end to that ugly trend, they decided to start on time to teach girls of the community how to cook. Cook what exactly? They will be coached on how to cook all kinds of food, but they started with local soup, which is, your guess is as good as mine. So on the second day of January 2023, 8 girls and 1 boy of between the ages of 12 to 26 were brought together at Eza Abani Women's Hall, Adazi Nnukwu, after emerging first to third positions in the competition held earlier last year 3 consecutive times to select the overall winner of the second edition of the competition. They were provided with everything they needed to cook with and then allowed to cook the onugbu soup. Just as expected, some cooked the bitter leaf before putting it into the soup, while some washed it well and cooked with the soup. But the latter was the best method, a reason why onugbu soup is said to be medicinal, as the sponsor of the program made it clear that onugbu soup should have an amount of bitterness to be able to work well in the body. Moving on, at the end of every competition, a winner must emerge. They were judged starting from the first thing they did while cooking to the last, and how they served the soup at the end. And at the end, Ms. Ozioma Ekemeze took the first position and went home with a cash gift of 100,000 naira, while the first and second runners-up went home with 70 and 50,000 naira respectively.
So before school can't so do sound this position. I promise may make you proud.
Chief Cyril Aneto is the President General of Adazi Nnukwu community. He has this to say about the event. Let us hear from the sponsor of the program.
Because this is my can we do it? Always no wine top idea. The fan are 2 years it will begin. We say okay, I will sponsor it. Let it go. KPD was supposed to go. We have nothing now, even not too much. KPD was supposed to go. And they may not organize. They may not organize. But one thing I did miss that we have to make it to be a bit professional.
The woman leader of the community was at the helm of affairs together with the chairman organizing committee, who highlighted other benefits accruable to that competition.
Girls are impressed. For 2 years, we've seen changes in the correction that has been made, and men are also coming in to be also interested in what we are doing. where we shop, especially the butchers that sell meat to us are interested. Oh, why are you wrapping this thing in small? They say for good food competition. I said, oh, you come and teach our people to also borrow this leaf from your community. So it's only getting better, and we pray that it will get better in future.
In all, it is good to catch them young. If girls can start now to get it right, there will be healthy homes, divorce will reduce, and most importantly, they may earn a living by becoming food vendors. From Adazi, Nnukwu, in another local government area, I am Ngozi Obileri for ABS Insider News.